Hello! Today we have a Mercedes-Benz X-Class with diesel engine on the installation. We will install an Ixsound kit with 2 speakers on it. The kit includes wiring for connection, 1 or 2 speakers, control unit and mounting kit. The wiring is equipped with an OBD2 connector for connecting the system before installation. After the test, this connector is cut off and 4 wires are connected according to the instructions, plus, minus and twisted pair can. Further, the wiring is equipped with 2 connectors for connecting speakers and a connector for connecting the Ixsound control unit. Finished the installation on this car. The installation took about 2 hours. Thanks for the views and likes. Subscribe to our channel.